Good day everyone! Kamusta kayo? Wala tayong pasok pero mag-aaral tayo ngayon. So, inutusan tayo ni Sir Dasilo na gumawa ng video recording bawat group at kami ang group 2. Ang katalakayan namin ngayon ay The Importance of Studying the Rizal Law. So, ako nga pala si Miko Vicencio, ang leader ng group na ito, at ang aking member ay sina John Simon Alvarado, John Paul Banyas, Mark Angelo Penales, and Edmer Suarez. So, sa video na ito, pag-aaral natin ang importansya ng pag-aaral ng Rizal Law, kung bakit nga ba natin ito pinag-aaralan, ano ang importance nito sa ating buhay. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Pero bago ang lahat, bago natin simulan ng pagtalakay, upo muna kayo ng mabuti at makinig at mag-take notes dahil may quiz tayo mamaya. So, let's go!
I'm Edmar P. Suarez Jr. I'm from the group 2, and we will be discussing the importance of studying the Rizal Law. Number 1 is to have a better understanding of the history of the Philippines. In education, there is a law saying that either private or public, from elementary to college, we must study Rizal's life because of his novels such as Tolome Tangeren and Filibusterismo. And just by his novel, how can we imagine being slaves to Spaniards for almost 333 years who almost conquered our nation? We can't imagine how helpless our consanguine to be abused, raped, and how it pain caused them in being silent just to save themselves from death. So that's why our past senators fight for studying the biography of Jose Rizal, because just by learning his life is already gratitude for him to our nation. And just to studying his novel, we will know what are the truth behind of the power of the past government and churches, because in church, Dr. Gato Rizal proved them that believing in God isn't about the faith, it is about the purity of our minds.
Learning about Jose Rizal's bravery. By studying Rizal Law, we will learn about bravery of Jose Rizal, who fought against oppression to ignite the Philippine Revolution that freed our nation from the Spaniards' colonialization. To gain inspiration for patriotism by studying Rizal's life, works, and writings. Learning about Jose Rizal's bravery is to honor our national hero for dedicating his life and works to form the Filipino character.
Number 3, it's promote nationalism and patriotism. It's important to study Rizal Law because by studying works of Rizal, we will see the characteristic of Jose Rizal as a nationalism and patriotic citizen of the Philippines. By reading and understanding the works of Rizal like Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo, we will see how Rizal and the citizen of the Philippines fought against the oppressors and for the freedom of the Philippines. Ang explanation naman dun ay sinasabi dito ay mahalaga natin pag-aralan ang batas ni Rizal dahil sa pag-aaral ng buhay at magawa ni Rizal ay makikita natin kung ano talaga siya, ano ang katangian ni Jose Rizal bilang isang makabayan at mabuting mamamayan ng Pilipinas. At sa pagbabasa naman ng mga akda ni Rizal katulad ng Noli Me Tangere at El Filibusterismo, makikita natin kung paano na ipaglaban si Rizal at mga mamamayan ng Pilipinas sa mga nang-aapi na Kastila sa lugar natin. Yun lang.
Knowing the life of Jose Rizal. Knowing Jose Rizal is important because he is our national hero and contributed a lot in Philippine freedoms against Spanish colonialism. Studying the works and life of Jose Rizal will help us to understand Jose Rizal during the Spanish era. Also, Rizal said that liberty will just be achieved if tyranny, both from colonial oppressors and Filipinos who might claim power, will be stopped. And that will happen if the people will learn to love their country and its people more than the desire of the power over the other people, indeed. Furthermore, he enrolled at the Universidad Central de Madrid, where he became leader of a small community of Filipino students and committed himself to reforming the Spanish rule in his home country.